So we are stripping the doors off of this Suburban today. Already got this one done. Now we're just moving to the driver's side. What are you doing in there?
Pulling the kick panel off so I can get to the wiring. Hook the wiring for the door.
Nice slow process. Lots of little bolts. Got it. What you got there?
Plugs I gotta undo right here.
Try to get in there so I can see that. Oh yeah, she's way in there, huh? Nice and stuck. Kind of a pain in the ass spot.
Not gonna work on cars. See number 3.
When working on vehicles of any kind, one must become part of the rig.
Just throwing it through, we can pull it out the other side. There's door number 2.
Door number 2.
On to the rest of the wiring harness.
Well,
It's gotta come out. I need it all.
all of it.
Everything for the doors. It's good news. Main power for the doors is right here.
Just the wiring.
That's one older vehicle, so I just need the wiring for the doors, but I'm gonna take out everything.
We're gonna leave it a surprise as to what it's gonna go into.
Someday it'll find a home. Might already have a pre-designed home, but that's what most people don't unhook this stuff. Most people just cut it.
It's worth it just to take a little extra time.
It is, because a lot of this stuff is can't buy it anymore.
Can't buy it, and then it becomes really, really hard to find. Got to get everything mushed up in this section here to pull it out from about that section. Working on get out. So I guess when we get there, we update the Alright, so got them body bolts out. And come around here.
Last bolt for the door.
Let's hope she don't fucking fall down.
Well, she's going to if I undo it.
Okay, well, I will prop this up somewhere and someone can watch me get squished by this thing. Alrighty, so we have one door down. There she is in all her glory. And we have 1, 2, 3 more to go. This one is next. Just gotta undo the body bolts there. These guys. Just gotta undo those. And one on the inside. And then we gotta catch it and just move it over here. Other one off, as you could see. I caught it, thank God. And now we're on to one of the back doors. Really kind of hoping that this is a little bit lighter, you know, than these front ones here. So I got 1 and 2. But now we're gonna take a Red Bull break. All right. So, we might have a game changer going on, so what are we thinking?
Well, I'm going to research into here. I'm going to look and see how much wiring is included in these back doors. I don't really need the electric back door option, but I need the windows out of the doors one way or the other, so I'm going to investigate a little bit. If it's going to be too much hassle to convert all 4 doors to electric, then, because I'm missing a door panel on that door. So it doesn't look the nicest.
As you can see, Exhibit A.
But it's the same color as the ones I have, so...
Yes. We do have this really pretty blue. Apparently everything that we own and haul with is this blue and this white.
For the record, I don't like blue. So it seems to me I'm attracted to blue.
Blue's attracted to you.
Wherever I go, whatever I buy ends up being blue or red.
Blue or red, and mine is white, so I guess we're just kind of merging them all together and going from there. Peep his battle scar. Making fun of your overalls. So we're gonna try and get in here without getting shit in my eye, just like that. Oh God, don't swallow that, kids.
That's what gives you cancer.
So if I die from cancer, y'all will know why.
1980 Chevy.
1980 Chevy. Oh.
Fall out of there.
That did.
Oh. That's from the...
We'll just leave that
That's from this.
right there. We'll just put these back together so they can all stay together. All this stuff taken off. All this right here. And we're gonna investigate.
Going after this piece now.
And then we're gonna take this right here off, investigate what's behind there, see if it's worth taking the whole door or just the internals and putting it in what we currently have. So we'll see. So we're home now. There was an outfit change. So we finished everything with the square body, but we did bring this home. Gotta bring that home, but we did bring all 4 doors home. Got the back doors and the big front doors. Now we just need to unhook this and empty all that. She's very interested in what we brought home today. So we will put this all together on what we're going to use it for, and then hopefully make another video of when we put it together. Bye guys.